The Vivo X300 Ultra is one of the most advanced smartphones Vivo has ever created. Designed as the flagship model of the X300 series, this device represents the company's biggest leap in mobile photography and high-end smartphone technology. First showcased during Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona, the Vivo X300 Ultra immediately drew attention from technology enthusiasts and industry experts. The phone introduces an ambitious combination of powerful hardware, cutting-edge imaging technology, and professional camera accessories designed to push smartphone photography to an entirely new level. With a focus on performance, camera innovation, and battery endurance, the Vivo X300 Ultra is positioned as a direct competitor to some of the most powerful flagship devices on the market today. In this video, we will explore the design, display, performance, camera system, battery technology, and software features that make the Vivo X300 Ultra one of the most exciting smartphones of 2026. Starting with the design, the Vivo X300 Ultra continues Vivo's premium flagship philosophy with a sleek and modern construction. The phone is expected to feature a high-quality metal frame combined with a durable glass back panel, giving it both strength and elegance. The design is dominated by a large circular camera module on the rear, which houses the advanced multi-lens camera system developed in partnership with ZEISS. Despite the large camera hardware, Vivo has managed to maintain a balanced design that feels premium and solid in the hand. The device reflects a clear intention. This is not just a smartphone, but a powerful imaging tool designed for creators. One of the most interesting design elements is the optional professional camera ecosystem. Vivo has introduced a dedicated camera cage and camera grip accessory designed for videographers and content creators. This accessory includes mounting points, physical controls, cooling features, and support for additional lenses, transforming the smartphone into a portable filmmaking setup. The display is another major highlight of the Vivo X300 Ultra. The device is expected to feature a large 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a 2K resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination ensures sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and fluid motion when scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. The panel is also designed to deliver extremely high brightness levels, making the screen comfortable to view even in bright outdoor environments. In addition to its visual quality, LTPO technology allows the display to dynamically adjust its refresh rate depending on the activity on screen. This improves energy efficiency while maintaining smooth performance when needed. Whether users are watching movies, editing photos, or browsing the web, the display of the Vivo X300 Ultra aims to deliver a flagship-level visual experience. Powering the Vivo X300 Ultra is Qualcomm's latest flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Built using advanced fabrication technology, this chipset offers significant improvements in CPU performance, graphics capability, and AI processing compared to previous generations. This powerful processor is expected to be paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and large storage options, allowing the phone to handle heavy multitasking, demanding applications, and high-end mobile gaming without difficulty. The enhanced AI capabilities of the chipset also play a major role in camera processing, image enhancement, and smart system optimization. Overall, the hardware configuration ensures that the Vivo X300 Ultra delivers both speed and efficiency for everyday users as well as professional creators. The camera system is without doubt the most important feature of the Vivo X300 Ultra. According to the latest reports, the device may feature a powerful quad camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main camera, a 200-megapixel telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an additional multispectral sensor for improved color accuracy and detail. The main camera is believed to use a large Sony sensor close to 1 inch in size, which helps capture more light and produce sharper images, especially in low-light environments. One of the most groundbreaking features is the advanced telephoto system. The X300 Ultra introduces a ZEISS telephoto extender Gen 2 accessory, capable of achieving a focal length equivalent to 400 millimeters. This powerful lens allows photographers to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity, while maintaining high image quality even at extreme zoom levels. Using advanced sensor cropping technology, the system can even reach zoom levels equivalent to around 1600 millimeters while preserving impressive detail. Combined with optical stabilization, motion tracking autofocus, and advanced computational photography, the camera system of the Vivo X300 Ultra aims to deliver professional-grade photography in a smartphone form factor. Another standout feature of the Vivo X300 Ultra is its massive battery capacity. Reports suggest that the device will include a battery of around 7,000 mAh, which is significantly larger than what most flagship smartphones currently offer. This large battery is made possible by advanced silicon-carbon battery technology, which allows higher energy density while keeping the device relatively slim. With this capacity, users can expect long battery life even when performing demanding tasks such as gaming, video recording, and photography. The device is also expected to support fast charging technology, allowing the battery to be quickly recharged when needed. On the software side, the Vivo X300 Ultra is expected to run the latest Android version combined with Vivo's custom interface, offering a smooth and optimized user experience. The system will likely include various AI-powered features designed to enhance photography, improve battery management, and optimize performance. AI image processing will help improve color accuracy, dynamic range, and noise reduction, while intelligent system management ensures the device remains fast and efficient over time. These smart features are designed to make the device more intuitive and user-friendly for everyday users. The Vivo X300 Ultra was first showcased during Mobile World Congress 2026, signaling the company's intention to bring its Ultra flagship lineup to a wider international audience. Unlike previous models that were often limited to certain markets, the X300 Ultra is expected to see a broader global release. Although official pricing may vary by region, early estimates suggest the phone could be positioned in the premium flagship category, competing directly with devices such as the Samsung Galaxy Ultra series, Xiaomi Ultra models, and Apple's Pro Max lineup. The Vivo X300 Ultra represents a bold step forward in smartphone innovation. With its powerful Snapdragon processor, massive battery, premium display, and groundbreaking camera system developed with ZEISS, this device aims to redefine what a smartphone camera can achieve. More importantly, the introduction of professional camera accessories and advanced telephoto technology shows that Vivo is not just building another flagship phone. Instead, the company is creating a powerful hybrid device that blends smartphone convenience with professional imaging capabilities. If the final product delivers on these promises, the Vivo X300 Ultra could become one of the most influential flagship smartphones of 2026.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.